Divide 413 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 1 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 413 divided by 2 is 206 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.